Officer Buckle knew more safety tips than anyone else in Wheaton Academy. His favorite safety tips included: don't litter, don't slide down the stairs, and don't stand on a swivel chair. Officer Buckle shared his safety tips with the students at Wheaton Academy. Nobody ever listened. Sometimes there was even snoring. He decided it was time to get an assistant. He put up an ad. That's when he met Gloria. And after that, every time Officer Buckle gave his safety tips, the students clapped and cheered. They were watching Gloria do her tricks in the background. Every time Officer Buckle looked, Gloria would sit still. Officer Buckle didn't suspect a thing, and his audiences grew. One day, WA TV came to film the show. When Officer Buckle watched it later that night, he realized that the students were paying attention to Gloria instead of him. Officer Buckle was sad and didn't want to give any more speeches because no one paid attention to him. Gloria had to do the next show alone. Everyone fell asleep, including Gloria. That night, Officer Buckle received a letter from Claire, a student who had seen the shows. Officer Buckle felt like he had meant something to the school when he was with Gloria, and he decided to get back together and do shows again. The kids were overjoyed when they saw that they were back together, and Officer Buckle and Gloria had their best show yet. They even introduced a new safety tip, Officer Buckle's favorite of all. Safety tip number 101, always stick with your buddy.